Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out Curlsmith's new volume recipes collection. This collection is specifically made for people with curls, coils, and waves to provide instant and long-lasting volume for fuller, thicker, and bouncier hair. From this collection, I'll be using the Hydrate Plump Leave-In Full Body Volumizing Lotion and the Invincible Volume Mousse, so let's get started. The first product I'll be applying is the Hydrate and Plump Leave-In. I'm applying this product on soaking wet hair. I took about 3 to 4 pumps and raked it through my hair using my fingers. I then brushed my hair with my Tangle Teezer to make sure the product was evenly distributed. The directions said to finish with the praying method to smooth hair down and seal in moisture, then either apply more products, air dry, or diffuse. This leave-in has a subtle fruity smell and the consistency is very lightweight. At first, I wasn't sure if this would work on my hair because I'm so used to having a leave-in that is on the thicker side, but this glided through my hair easily, and I must say, even though it wasn't super heavy, it provided my hair with a good amount of moisture. For my hair texture, I wouldn't use this alone, but it would be great paired with other styling products. Since I've cut my hair, I realized my hair is just flat. No matter what methods I use or how much I separate my curls. I also noticed even when I use a hair pick, although I would get a little bit of volume, it seemed like within seconds my hair would deflate. My hair always seemed to be in need of more volume. When I heard this leave-in increases volume up to 153% and it lasts up to 72 hours, I just had to get it. After applying the leave-in to my whole head, I separated my hair into sections and applied Curlsmith Full Body Volumizing Lotion right on top. Before applying the lotion, I made sure my hair was damp, and for those spots that had dried, I sprayed a little water to rehydrate them. I took about 3 to 4 pumps and raked the product in with my fingers, then I went back in with my Tangle Teezer to make sure I applied everything evenly. Just like the leave-in, this product has a very nice fruity smell and is lightweight. The description said this product provides up to 68% more volume and will leave your hair looking fuller and your curls more bouncier than before. It does have a slight hold that will give your curls definition without any stickiness. These products are supposed to give your curls that weightless feel. That's why they're so lightweight. So if you have thick or coarse hair, don't be afraid to add more. Both of these products will provide you with the moisture you need without weighing your hair down. At this point, you can stop and either allow your hair to air dry or diffuse, but I wanted to add one more product, which is the Invincible Volume Mousse. To apply, the direction says to take a golf ball size amount of the mousse and apply it evenly to damp hair. I did do that, and that was a little too much for me since I applied the other products, but if you're using it alone or your hair is thicker, I think that amount would be just fine. I also brushed it through my hair. You don't have to do that. You could either rake it through your hair or scrunch it in, whatever works best for you. I then shingled my hair for more volume. After I was done shingling, I went ahead and did the same thing to the other sections. This product is a gel to mousse. It has a medium hold that will give long-lasting definition, but is also lightweight and leaves hair feeling moisturized and voluminous. I was a little scared because of the mixed reviews. A lot of people felt like it was super sticky or that it was too heavy. Some even said the scent was unbearable. Personally, I love the scent of these products. They're light and fruity. I love the way all of them applied and they all worked well together. I even love the packaging. Anything pink I have to get. I really enjoyed this collection. My camera ended up overheating, so I just went ahead and finished my hair off camera. This is how my hair looked once I was done styling it. I let my hair air dry for about an hour and a half, then I diffused, and this is how my hair looked once it was completely dry. I was surprised at how full my hair looked and how much volume I had without even picking it out. Now, I did have a tad bit of stickiness, but I believe that's because I used way too much of the mousse. Other than that, my curls were defined and soft. I didn't even have a lot of frizz. Overall, this was probably one of my favorite wash and goes. I had volume, body, and bounce. I could not be happier with my results. But what did you think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.